Start. I discover something. I want to share this with you. We know that we have in our body voluntary and involuntary actions, yes? Voluntary and involuntary action. Voluntary, for example, it's voluntary action. Skeletal muscle. This voluntary, yes? Respiratory system. Urination, hold urination, voluntary. Yes? But some hold urination, to hold urination is voluntary. I hold the urination, voluntary. Yes? But look, please, some of them purely, some of them mixed. We will see. Skeletal muscle, wait. We have in brain, we have brain cortex. This cortex is the last layer of the brain. Last structure of nervous system's cortex. Cortex, full developed among human. It's less developed in animals. Animals by development, they have some animals, first animals, they have just spinal cord, for example, just spinal cord. Other, by development, they have medulla. Other, hypothalamus, midbrain, brain, وهكذا. And then some animals, they have part of cortex, part, not full. That's why they become they become clever, some animals, yes? They have good memory, and human, full cortex. That's why human is the last level. But remember, it doesn't mean that we came from animals, no. We are saying about how the nervous system is developing. Cortex also is the center for voluntary action. Cortex is the center of voluntary action. Subcortical structure, there are 4 involuntary action. Understood? Cortex for voluntary, because this is by our mind. Subcortical for involuntary. Skeletal muscle, we said this is voluntary. Yes, voluntary. So it has connection with cortex. Respiratory system. While we are breathing normally without any forcing, this normal apnea is involuntary. We breathe involuntary. It means that it has connection with subcortical medulla. There is a respiratory center. But also, we can breathe voluntary. That's why it has connection with cortex. So it's mixed. Urination, for example. To fill urine bladder with urine, it's involuntary. We don't know. To hold urination, it's voluntary. It means it has connection with subcortical and cortex. Now, the most important, heart. Voluntary or involuntary or mixed? Heart is involuntary. We cannot affect our heart. I cannot increase my heartbeat or decrease my heart or stop my heartbeat. Understood? So it's connected just with subcortical. Medulla oblongata, there is cardiovascular center. Understood? Purely involuntary. Now look, please. Love feeling of love. Not usually, it's always localized inside heart. We love by heart. And while we said that heart is purely involuntary, then love feeling is involuntary. This is what I discovered about. Yes, we cannot. I cannot feel love by voluntary, by my mind, to love someone. No, I cannot. It's involuntary. Understood? Yes, this is what I wanted to share with people. That love feeling is involuntary. Yes, thank you very much.